We're getting close to holiday parties and gatherings, and if you're ever wondering what a great idea for a hostess gift might be and you're a card maker, well, I have a great idea for you. Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Keppel, and in today's video I'll be using the new Gina Designs Christmas Cuties stamp set, which is perfect for making a gift box of Christmas cards. I'll show you how I made a bunch of quick and cute Christmas cards that can be used as a gift from now until the holidays. So let's start by taking a look at this new Gina Designs stamp set and coordinating dies. Christmas Cuties is a new 6x8 stamp set, and I've placed the dies that come with the kit. You can see they cut out the characters as well as some of the accessories and some of the sentiments as well. What I really love about this set is that there's a right hand and left hand of the snowman and the gingerbread, and the other characters can be paired as well. Now let's dive into the card making. We'll make some quick and cute cards that make a perfect gift. I'm going to start by stamping 2 of the snow people and 2 of the gingerbread people. I'm using Gina Designs Amalgam ink, which you can use with either watercolor or alcohol ink markers. I'm going to be using alcohol ink markers today, so I'm working on an alcohol ink safe paper. So I have now also a couple of the other characters as well as some of the accessories. I'm doing a very quick coloring of all of these characters using Ohuhu markers, and they give me the ability to use either a brush tip when I want to do some blending and shading, or that bullet tip when I need to get into teeny tiny areas like that scarf on the gingerbread. Now, the outside of the gingerbread I left white because that I'm using as the piping or frosting on these gingerbread. You may notice that the elves, snow people, and gingerbread people don't have faces. That's because the stamp set comes with a variety of faces that you can stamp after the fact. So the snow people, I didn't need to wait. I could have stamped it already. But for the gingerbread people, I wanted to wait until they were colored, and then I could use some anti-static powder and some Versamark ink and white embossing powder so that the faces match the piping. For the little elves, I wanted the faces to go over the skin colors, and for the reindeer and Santa, they already come with faces, so you don't have to decide which ones you want. But you can see that the faces turn in different directions for the snow people so that you can decide which one is going to be on the left or the right. It's a mirror image of the other one, which is super cute. So I've also used a Gina Designs embossing folder. It's a classic dot embossing folder, and that's going to be my main background. I'm going to have 2 mats of cardstock colors, and I will decide to stamp and heat emboss 2 of the sentiments on Kraft, 1 on light blue and 1 on red. And I'll cut those all out as well because there's a die that cuts out that Merry Christmas. So I'll just hold that in place and cut all those out as well. So you can see I'm really doing this in steps so that I can mass produce them. So I have 4 cards that I can put together. For the gingerbread card, I am popping up the sentiment, and then I'm going to pop up the little gingerbread people as well. So this is going to be the layout for all of them. The 2 little characters, and then the popped up sentiment above, then the embossed piece behind that, and then 2 pieces of coordinating cardstock behind that. So if you have a plan like this, it does go rather quickly because you can just do all of your die cutting at once, all of your coloring at once, all of your stamping at once, and then all of your assembling at once. For the snow people, you can see I chose pinks and blues just for a different color combination. This way, this gift box will be filled with Christmas cards that both are traditional colors and non-traditional colors, and then the person can choose who they want to give them to. Also, different critters, and you could change up the sentiment as well. I was being lazy and decided to stick with Merry Christmas for all of them. So here you can see them all together. They're very simple, clean and simple, but they also have all that dimension and all that color, and they just look really cute together. So once I have them all done, I'll place each one with an A2 white envelope and gather them together like that. So I have them stacked on top of each other with the envelope behind each card. And then I have a set of 4 Rudolph stamps, and I have a clear box that you can give these cards to someone as a gift. I love the idea of a clear box because you can see the cards peeking out, and it's just a fun way to give cards as a gift. I am wrapping some red ribbon around, and then I'll tie that with a bow so it's not that you can see the entire card, which is kind of fun. You just know that there's Christmas cards inside. So once I have my bow all set, then this entire gift is done. It really did come together rather quickly because I had that plan of 2 colors of cardstock, a white piece of cardstock embossed, and then my 2 characters and sentiment all popped up. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna put a few more of these gift boxes together so that I have them on hand ready to go. Have you ever made cards as a gift to give to someone else? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. And that gift box can be Christmas. You have for a make a an I'm hot already.